What's up guys? Today is my baking carbonara recipe. My own personal recipe for a change this time. And you know, I came across this recipe in Tennessee about 2 winters ago. Just about over Christmas. Just before I was moving into a house with some friends. It was a good time. And so I was shocked. I had never heard of this before. This is like the most delicious recipe ever. It's literally meat and cheese and noodles. Like, it's so simple and it's so delicious. Like, I've been like using these ingredients for like ages and I never thought, like, what is this? How could I make this? But no more. And I hope you guys will change and find your love for carbonara too. So let's get into the video.
Cheese. That's really good.
This is one of the better carbonaras I've made.
It tastes so good.
If you guys are looking for a carbonara video, this is a recipe to follow. I highly recommend it. Really, really creamy. It's actually one of the more creamy ones I've had. But this is also higher quality Parmesan than I normally use. So, if you're gonna do this, high quality Parmesan. Alright. I hope to see you guys in the next video.